Welcome to Titans of Intelligence, a comprehensive overview of the major players and strategic leaders shaping the future of artificial intelligence in 2025. We begin with the first segment, the compute layer, focusing on the silicon foundations that underpin modern AI. NVIDIA is the sovereign of silicon, holding 92% of the data center GPU market share. Their H100 and upcoming Blackwell architectures are the standard for training LLMs. Key advantages include the CUDA software stack and the NVIDIA Link interconnect system. This slide outlines the infrastructure arms race. While NVIDIA remains the absolute leader, AMD is a fast-moving challenger, and hyperscalers are investing heavily in custom silicon for internal cloud efficiency. Next, we move to the foundation model labs, the architects of general intelligence. OpenAI is the market catalyst. Their GPT series defined generative AI, and their strategic alliance with Microsoft provides infinite compute. They are also leading in multimodal generation, like video with Sora. We see a growing battle between Google DeepMind and Microsoft AI. Google leverages its compute advantage with end-to-end control of its silicon, while Microsoft uses the, quote, shell strategy, partnering with labs like OpenAI to become a global distributor of intelligence. Meta is the open champion. By releasing their Llama models under Mark Zuckerberg's direction, they aim to commoditize intelligence and establish an open-source industry standard for local deployment. The specialized challengers include Anthropic, focused on safety with their Claude 3.5 series, Mistral AI, developing highly efficient small footprint models, and Cohere, the enterprise-first AI company focused on RAG. Looking at global AI R&D investment, hyperscalers account for 40%. Private labs for 30%, and sovereign and enterprise R&D each account for 15%. The velocity of innovation is accelerating. Milestones include Google's Transformer paper in 2017, the release of ChatGPT in 2022, and NVIDIA's massive growth in 2023. By 2024, inference reasoning and agentic workflows are becoming standard. Thank you for watching this video exploring the next frontiers of AI agents and silicon sovereignty. For further analysis on digital strategy and the 2025 outlook, please refer to the additional resources.